So what we are doing is we are trying out the mutton Haleem at all places. Now, what I can see first is the size of these mutton pieces. Apparently the world's favorite biryani outlet. Let's see how they make their Haleem. Oh my. This, according to me, is the best Haleem in town right now.
रोजा कैसे तोड़ते हो आप? क्या खा के हो?
ये तो पानी रखा हुआ देखिए पानी से खोलेंगे
और घर पे
जाके खाना खाएंगे जो पकेगा दाल रोटी सब्जी तरकारी जो होगा तो चलेगा।
और नॉनवेज में क्या बनता है? मटन वगैरह?
मटन खाने का औकात है जनाब।
अरे
700 रुपये किलो कहाँ से खा सकेंगे?
The Ramzan special episode 2 is here. We're going to be trying out 5 of the best Haleem places in Kolkata. Stop number 1, Zeeshan. Alright guys, so the first stop of the Ramadan special episode 2, we're doing Haleems, and the first stop which we've chosen is Zeeshan because this place actually serves Haleem the fastest. So you are going to get it everywhere else at 2 p.m. but over here you're getting it at around 1:30. So this is this scrumptious, wholesome bowl of mutton Haleem with oodles of chunks of mutton and a lot of rich gravy. So you're getting this plus a complimentary paratha, some condiments, and all of this is priced at 250 rupees. Let me sip in some super thick and rich broth first. Slightly under seasoned, so you can add salt to your taste, but that's not what we're here for. We're here for the chunks of mutton. So I'm going to take this little bad boy over here, which has some fat in it as well, and I'm gonna dip it in this broth. The mutton is so tender. This one is amazing. So the second stop for the Haleem series is Royal. Now this is one place which all of you have recommended whenever we put up a poll for a Haleem special, so we had to cover this. So we are right now at the Park Circus outlet of Royal. I think while we wait for the Haleem to come, it's worthwhile reiterating that all the places which you see us covering, now we are visiting the restaurants, but it doesn't mean we're trying to encourage you or attract you, in your words, to come and visit these places. All of these places which are serving Haleem are also delivering it straight to your home. So you can check them out on Swiggy or Zomato, or even directly you can place orders, and you can enjoy all of these scrumptious meals which we're trying out within the comforts and the safety of your home. So we have a portion of mutton Haleem. So what we're doing is we're trying out the mutton Haleem at all places. Now what I can see first is the size of these mutton pieces, slightly bigger compared to the first stop. Let me just add some of these. Now this is priced at 240 rupees if you're taking it away or delivering it, and if you're having it at the restaurant, it's going to be 255. But if you're sitting in the non-AC compartment downstairs, it's going to be for 240. First things first, let me just try the broth. Since we tried out paratha in the first stop, we're going with some buttered tandoori roti. Dikh nahi raha tha. Great. So I'm gonna try a little piece of mutton over here. Once again, all the mutton pieces in Haleem's has a good amount of fat, which makes the entire thing extremely soft and succulent. Amazing. This one does not need any further seasoning, it is perfectly done. We're at the third stop for the Ramadan Haleem special episode, and the next stop is Barkaas. Now, personally, this is my favorite because this place serves the original Hyderabadi Haleem. So let's get inside and check it out. Right, so the next bowl at Barkaas is the Hyderabadi Haleem this time around. Just look at the consistency of this. So the first difference which I see over here, you won't get those chunks of mutton. So you have it minced, filled with dry fruits, and this rich. It's totally gotten mixed. Dal, the wheat, the mutton, everything is mixed. Right, this is amazing. Let me taste the broth first. This is amazing. This is so good. Extremely thick. You don't even need to have this with anything. This is so nice. So this particular Haleem, whether you're having it at home or you're taking it away or you're having it at the restaurant, it's priced at 300 rupees if you're having the mutton Hyderabadi, and if you're ordering the Kolkata Haleem, then that's priced at 250 rupees. There's no special discount for this, but you wouldn't need it. This, according to me, is the best Haleem in town right now. The fourth stop of the Haleem series. We are at Paradise, world's most favorite biryani spot. But we are here today to try out their Haleem. Let's get inside. I am sitting inside Paradise right now in Kolkata. This is situated at Park Street. And I'm having this lovely bowl of mutton Haleem, which is priced at 250 rupees. Just see how rich this is. This is again, I think, Hyderabadi, since it is from Hyderabad, this particular franchise. Now, it's apparently the world's favorite biryani outlet. Let's see how they make their Haleem. Oh my god. This is filled with so much of ghee, so much of barista, dry fruits. It is insanely good. Once again, slightly under seasoned, so you can add some salt if you like more salt. But this is amazing. The basic difference what I see from Kolkata Haleem and Hyderabad Haleem is the Hyderabad Haleem has a slight pastier consistency. It's more pasty. Whereas when you're having Kolkata Haleem, you're going to get chunks of meat over here. It's all made into a paste and it's given. So I personally like the pastier version of Hyderabad more. But my crew members, Arghya and Aman, they seem to be relishing and raving about the ones which are served at Royal as well as at Zeeshan. आपका नाम क्या है?
नाम तो है मोहम्मद कमरुल हसन।
कमरुल हसन।
जी, हम चला रहे हैं गाड़ी आपको 86 से
86।
जी।
तब के कंपैरिजन में अभी क्या आपको अंतर लग रहा है? रमजान के टाइम में तब कैसे होता था, अभी क्या हो रहा है?
पहले तो आदमी था मालो जार ज्यादा था, अभी मालो जार का तकलीफ है इसलिए कम हो रहा है कमाई के ऊपर। अभी तो लॉकडाउन हो के कमाई है नहीं आदमी का। पहले आदमी खर्चा करता था अच्छा, अब आइए आदमी का पैसे नहीं, खर्चा कहाँ से करेगा।
यहाँ पे आपके कौन कौन है?
मैं तो यहाँ बोला ना आपको तनहा रहता हूँ, एक लड़का स्कूल बंद आया है।
अच्छा,
तो कल चला जाएगा।
अभी आप रोजे में हो?
हाँ रोजे में है। बोलिए।
और रोजा कैसे तोड़ते हो आप, क्या खा के हो?
ये तो पानी रखा हुआ देखिए पानी से खोलेंगे।
और घर पे
जाके खाना खाएंगे जो पकेगा, दाल रोटी सब्जी तरकारी जो होगा तो चलेगा।
और नॉनवेज में क्या बनता है? मटन वगैरह?
मटन खाने का औकात है जनाब।
अरे
700 रुपये किलो कहाँ से खा सके।
Fifth and the final stop for the Haleem series, we are at India Restaurant. Let's get inside and try this place out. Alright, so we settled at the first floor of India Restaurant. This is at Khidirpur. Now the second floor is also available, but it is closed during iftar time. We're trying out the mutton Haleem over here. This has been Aman part. Everyone who has recommended places for us to try out Haleem, this has been the common option, the common restaurant for all. So we had to choose this, and that is the reason why we chose this as the fifth spot for the day. Alright, so this is here, final spot. Now the mutton Haleem at India Restaurant is priced at 210 rupees. So it's the cheapest of the lot, but it has some huge pieces. It had some huge pieces, I think. Insane. Just look at this. It's very oily. I love it. Let me just add some barista on top. As is customary by now. Let me sip in the broth first, as it is. Most of the places which we've tried out the Haleem today have very unique preparation. Now, India Restaurant is one place which was recommended by all, and most of the people have to say that this is the best. Now we've tried out all amazing places today. You guys are free to choose whichever your favorite is. It's very subjective, alright? A lot of you might prefer it pasty, a lot of you might prefer it grainy. So it totally depends on that. There are a lot of places we couldn't cover today. Some worth mentioning is Arsalan, Shiraz, Armenia. There's only a limited number of places which we could try in one day. So we've tried to choose 5 places which are unique, which are serving something different, and places which are very, very popular. And the final bite of episode 2, Ramadan special series of Food Spa, goes to India Restaurant. That was our experience, 5 top Haleem spots in Kolkata. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, do share the video, like and comment as well. And if you haven't subscribed to Food Spa's YouTube channel yet, please go ahead and do the same, and also don't miss clicking the bell icon, which will instantly notify you whenever there's a new video coming up. We've decided to pack something for Kamru. He said that he hasn't had Haleem this time around. If you're doing a Haleem series, we thought about getting something for him as well.
कमरू जी, ये आपके लिए, आप रखिए इसको। हलीम है और पराठा में हमारे लिए रुके, शुक्रिया उसके लिए।
नहीं,
थैंक यू।
मेरा तो ड्यूटी है। इंसान के साथ अखलाक नहीं पेश करेंगे तो फायदा क्या है जीने का। एक दूसरे का अखलाक थी तो जिंदगी है। मोहब्बत, पैसा तो सभी कमाता, कौम या देश।
आपसे मिलके और बात करके हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा। अगर कभी फ्यूचर में आपसे मुलाकात हो, अभी तो आप रोजा रख रहे हो, तो आपके साथ खाने का हमको
मौका मिला, मंजूर है। जी बेशक बेशक।
फ्यूचर में
आपने
कभी
नंबर दे दिया, आपको जब आपको मेरी जरूरत महसूस हो याद कीजिए मुझे।
जी शुक्रिया, थैंक यू।
Fifth and the final stop, Haleem. Arey, you have to be behind him. What is wrong with you? 2, 3. So we are in the location for the third stop of the Haleem festival. Haleem festival? Haleem series. Abhi Haleem festival nahi hai ye. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So we've purposely chosen. No, we've purposely chosen. Start. 1, 2, 3. So the second stop for the Haleem series